What up, beautiful? You looking spidey today? I'm running out of things to say. So today I'm going to be doing a spider hairstyle. I saw a picture of it and I thought I'll try it out, you know? So first I'm going to put my hair in a puff. What I did was I took the pipe cleaner, cut it in half. I take one of the halves and I fold it to a point, and that created my spider leg, and I'm going to put all 6 of them in. Okay, I have all 6 of my hairy furry legs in. Now I want my spider to have eyes. So I got a pack of googly eyes, and this is what I made. And I'm gonna teach you how I made it. So this would be so much easier if you have a hot glue gun, because I'm in college, I don't have one with me. So I took a bobby pin and I kind of bent it a little bit so it'll stretch a little wider, like that. I took one of my googly eyes, and I do have some tape, so I'm going to tape this end to the back of this as best as I can. Your hair will hide it, so it doesn't have to be completely perfect. And there you have it. This is my creepy crawly critter on my hair. I have my spidey legs, the eyes. I would recommend getting bigger eyes. This is the only size I kind of had. So what do you think? I think this is very kid friendly and cute for like crazy hair day, or for Halloween. You just put on all black and just tell everybody that you're a spider. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.